Today I thought we would explore the warrior poses, so let's begin with warrior 1. Our front foot is at a 90-degree angle facing the top of the mat, and the back foot is at a 45-degree angle facing like the top corner. Then we're going to lunge into that front leg, making sure that the knee doesn't track over the toes. We're going to tuck and square the hip, pointing the tailbone down. And then your arms can be either at heart center, they can be down by your side. You can lift your arms up to the sky, making sure those shoulders are back and down away from the ears. We open the chest towards the sky, extend those fingertips. Now check in with that front knee. Make sure the knee isn't collapsing inwards. We want to be pushing the knee out to the side there. Now when you're ready, we just heel toe that back foot up a little bit and we step up to the top of the mat. Now let's try that warrior one more time. So step that leg back. Back toes are at a 45-degree angle. Front toes are 90 degrees. Square the hips. Tuck the tailbone under. Lift the arms high. Warrior 1. Shoulders are back and down. Hands can be at heart center. They can be up high. They can be by your side. Heel toe that back foot up. And step on back to the top of your mat. Very nice. Moving on to warrior 2. Step that leg back. Front leg again is at a 90-degree angle, while the back leg, the toes are facing the long edge of the mat. This time we're going to turn the hips so that they face the long edge of the mat, lunging into that front knee. Now we're trying to work and get that front thigh parallel to the mat. Make sure those hips are turning, and when you're ready, lengthen out through the arms. We're drawing a nice long line of energy through the fingertips from one side to the other. Hands can be at heart center, hands can be out on the hips. And then when you're ready to step out, we just heel toe that back foot up and we step up to the top of the mat. Shake it out. Let's try that again. So step those back foot back. Toes are facing the long edge of the mat. We've got our front foot lunging in, turning the hips towards the long edge of that mat. That's really a nice thing about the mat, is the mat can be used as a tool to help guide you in the direction of what should be pointing where. And when you're ready, hands can be at heart center, they can be out, they can be on the hips. Heel toe that foot up and step up from warrior 2. Beautiful, good job. All right, next we're going to do warrior 3. So we're going to come to about the middle of the mat, step your supporting leg forward like a little step, and then you're going to hinge forward from the hips and balancing into our warrior 3. Now if you fall out of your balance, that's okay, just come back in. We're going to hinge from those hips. We're going to keep the hips parallel to the mat, so we're rolling the hip down towards the mat. Engage the core and keep a nice slight bend in that supporting leg. We don't want to be locking the knee. So engage the quad muscles in the standing leg, activate everything. We want to keep that supporting foot down, pressing firmly into the mat, and then we're drawing that long line of energy through your fingers and your toes. So when you can get up there, roll that hip down. Now, airplane arms really helps with balance. If you stick your arms out, you can have your arms back facing towards the back of the mat, or traditionally they're up, facing forward, shoulders down away from the ears, stepping back from our warrior 3. There we go, you did it. Good job. Those are our warriors, 1, 2, and 3.